In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook not opening. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check the server status of Facebook. For that, launch your preferred browser. Now type in Facebook server status and search for it. Different website links will appear. Head over to the Down Detector website. Now if you found out any outages over here, you will need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. If not, you can follow other steps. Check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Facebook. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. Next, check internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, clear cache for the app. So launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, find Facebook and launch it. Click on offload app and confirm it. Click on reinstall app. This will clear cache and cookies for the app. With these, your problem might be fixed. Also, you can check for your device software update. If any updates are available, just update it. Lastly, you can completely delete Facebook app from your device and reinstall it. With these solutions, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.